Which platforms offer the best features for Lazada sellers? In this video, you will learn the difference of Lazada Seller Center and Lazada App. If you watch until the end of this video, you will get the best tips that will help you choose the right platform for your preference and needs as a seller. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie Noche, and kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing, tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! Lazada offers two platforms for sellers: the Lazada Seller Center and the Lazada App. The Seller Center is a web-based platform for managing listings, inventory, and orders from a desktop computer. The Lazada App is a mobile application for managing listings, orders, and customers' communication on the go. The Seller Center offers more comprehensive tools and features, while the Lazada App is more streamlined for quick and easy management. The Seller Center has a traditional desktop interface, while the Lazada App has a mobile-friendly interface designed for touchscreens. The Seller Center provides access to detailed sales reports and analytics, while the Lazada App offers only basic sales data. Choosing the right platform will depend on the seller's preference and needs, with the Seller Center being more suitable for comprehensive desktop management and the Lazada App being a great option for the on-the-go management. So now, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang quick and easy screen record tutorial on how you can access the Lazada Seller Center on your desktop and the Lazada Seller Center app sa mobile phone. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie Noche, and I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on the difference of Lazada Seller Center and the Lazada Seller Center app. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to, and smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing, tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today, and I'll see you on the next vlog.